Hello, my name's Kat Sinclair. I am a professional face painter. I've been painting for 8 years. I'm going to show you some tips, tricks and techniques for doing your own face painting at home. I'm going to show you how to do some body painting. To do a whole body from top to bottom will take 4 hours or so. We're just going to do a small part, which is just the top of this gentleman's arm. And I'm going to show you quite a popular design. You just hold your arm out a little bit. So you may have seen this sort of design in tattoos. Just going to do a heart, like so. Nice and neat. Just paint that in red. And then I'm going to do a sword sticking through the heart, so I need to do that in silver. So it's sticking out of the heart there and into the heart here. And it's got quite an interesting pommel design. Just turn a little bit more towards the camera.
I was going to say, sorry, don't turn towards the camera. So if you could just go over that pommel design on the end. Just start from that point again.
Okay, so I'm doing the pommel design here, where it's sticking out of the heart. And it's got the grip of the sword here. Then I'm going to add some detail with black. So you can pick up some black on the brush and make sure it's got a nice point by twisting it in the paint. And then we can do the outline of the heart. Do it quite thinly so it looks quite cartoonish. And then where the sword's sticking in, we need to do a little sort of zig so that it looks like it's going through the heart. And just do a little bit of detail on the sword. Outline that. And some detail on the pommel. Just outline it really thinly. And then I'm going to do some ribbons coming out of it like this. Oops, it's a bit hairy. Where there is hair on the body, if you're doing a whole body paint, you'd probably get them to shave top to toe. But for a small design, no need to. Just push the brush through the paint. Through the hair, and try and get a nice neat end to it there. And then finally I'm just going to add a little bit of highlighting to the heart and the sword. Just where the light would be hitting it, and then onto the ribbon coming out as well. So that's a quick body painting design.